Hello guys, it's good to be with you again. Today I'm gonna make plantain porridge. Alright, so I have this almost ripe plantain. I'm gonna use that one because it has a little sweetness to it. So I'm just gonna cut off the ends and pare it down the side. And open it. Then while it's in the skin, I'm just gonna cut it. So I'll just dump this plantain now into the blender. And to that, I'm gonna add half a cup of pumpkin seeds. And 6 dates, small dates. Or 7, why not? Just to add a touch of sweetness. Okay, now let's add 3 cups of water. All right, let's blend away. All right, now we're gonna pour it in this pot and bring it to a boil. Okay, sounds like it's boiling. Yep, it's boiling up. So I'm going to cut the heat down way low and stir. Looks yummy already. Okay, see how this is nice and thick? I'm just gonna turn the heat off and I'm gonna grate some cinnamon and nutmeg. So I have the cinnamon stick here. Just gonna grate it in there. Grate about, let's see, about half a teaspoon. Great. And I also have a nutmeg. Some nutmeg in there, about half a teaspoon also. And this is a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so there's our porridge. Rich and creamy. I'm just gonna break some walnuts in there. Sprinkle with some walnuts. Here we go. Some walnuts. And also, just gonna put some honey on top. All right, so this is our plantain porridge. It's really yummy. If you decide to try this recipe, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.